Whoa. Whoa, that was so quick. Okay. Hi, YouTube. Oh, it's a girl, too. Oh, my heart. Okay. Oh, good morning, YouTube. Well, at least it is for me. And as you can see, I just got a live shiny Feebas, and that was only after a chain of 12. So chain fishing, even though, I heard it already did, I hadn't tried it yet in Oris, and I was, I wanted a shiny Milotic, and I was determined to get one because it's so darn pretty. And sorry I didn't really react there, I was kind of watching something else. And plus, chain fishing isn't exactly the most tense of methods. It's you're kind of guaranteed to get something as long as you, keep it up. So I'm not even going to bother weakening it. I cannot talk. I'm just going to throw a dive ball at its face. Yay, we got it! Woo! And I already know what I'm going to name her. I'm going to name her Aurora. Fudgin'. God, I'm sorry. I'm still really tired. It's only 8:40 in the morning right now, which it's a weekend, so this is early for me on a weekend. But I'm going to guess timid for the nature, actually, because it's bold and likes to run. So there it is down there. Kind of just a purple fish. Nothing all that special about it. But hey, it's really pretty. So I will... Actually, no, I need to show it in me. What am I saying? I'm sorry, like I said, I'm really tired. There's its little butt. Aww. I personally like Feebas. I think it's cute. Cool. I'm happy that was a quick hunt. I was totally not expecting it to be this fast. I mean, chain fishing is always fast, but I thought it was going to be in like the 50s or something, and I'm just surprised that it isn't. So, I'll just show a not shiny Feebas, if I can get one. No. Come on, game. I need a comparison. Fine. Fine if you're gonna be that way. There. Okay. So we have a normal Pelipper. And a shiny Feebas. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you have the luck on your hunts that I'm having right now. See you all later.